Just 3 ingredients, no condensed milk, ready in 2 minutes. Let's start by adding 400 grams of heavy cream to a bowl, then a packet of lemon-flavored powder. Now let's mix everything together well. Once it thickens slightly, it's at the perfect consistency. Now I'll add some chocolate sprinkles. Use as much as you like. Now just stir it again with a spoon. Next, let's transfer it to a plastic cup or any container you prefer. I'll top it off with a bit more sprinkles. All done. Now just refrigerate until it's chilled. Look how amazing this dessert is, folks. Quick, easy, and delicious. Try it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. That was another quick recipe from Pobre na Cozinha. Big hugs. See you next time, and thanks.